Welcome everyone to Living with the Times. We are right after the holiday of Shavuot, but the energy of the month of Sivan continues for the whole month. In the Sefer Yetzirah, perhaps the oldest of all Kabbalistic texts, each month has a sense, a chush. So the sense of this month of Sivan is hiluch, which means literally walking. But it's understood to mean progressing, to always going forward. And of course, this is the message of the holiday of Shavuot and of Torah itself, is that Torah is always progressing, always moving. And when we live with the times and we live with the Torah, then by nature we are progressing as well. And this is the main reason that Jewish law is called halacha, which comes from the same root as hiluch. It means to walk. So the Torah is the way that we walk in the world. It's our instruction manual. It's our guidebook of how to navigate the realities of this world, the existential nature of our being in this world. And so Jewish law is called halacha, that we walk with the law. And because the law is always progressing, when we walk with it, we progress as well. Now, it's a beautiful connection to the first explicit directive from God to Avram was lech lecha. Go to yourself. Go out of your land, of your birthplace and your father's house to the land that I will show you. And so the first step that God was showing Avram was the need to always be progressing, always walking, always going forward. And until this day, we have the same directive, the same energy to continually go forward and to walk with the Torah. Now, it's very interesting because in the description of counting the Omer, we count 7 times 7 weeks, and the 50th day is Shavuot. So when we count the Omer, we're counting 49 days. And yet in the Torah it says, Tisparu chamishim yom, you should count 50 days. And this message is that every day of the Omer, we should keep in mind what we are counting towards. We're counting towards the 50th day, which is receiving the Torah. Now, what's so interesting is this directive to Avram, lech lecha, go to yourself. 2 journeys, one an inner journey and one the way we walk in the world. And so each of those words, lech lecha, equals 50. So here we're told something very beautiful, is that our integration of the Torah first has to be within, and then we can express it in the world. We can make our mark in the world. And both of them equal 50, lech lecha, the same letters. And so the blessing that we should all have is that we should learn to wear Torah-colored glasses. In other words, we should see everything we hear, everything we see, everything we experience should be through the prism, through the Torah-colored glasses that we're wearing. And so we should all be blessed to walk and to progress with our holy Torah.